guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jaira, and what I do is usually explore fashion, makeup, any product I work well with, olive skin, as I am personally olive skin myself. But today I'm doing something special, which is the unboxing and showing you my summer haul from ASOS, and it came in this huge box. I'm super excited to open it. I've been waiting for it, but the thing is, like, I was pretty disappointed when it's shipped from, I don't know where this is from, to be honest. I think UK or somewhere, but it charged me $130 unexpectedly, and it's like a COD fee. And the lady at Canada Post was like, did you pay for all the items inside? I was like, yeah, they wouldn't ship it to me unless I pay for everything. So I don't know why I got charged extra $130. I messaged ASOS and they haven't replied, but based on my research, people are saying it's the border charging that, maybe because my box is huge. I don't know, but I'm pretty disappointed. If you're from Canada, please, like, if you have any idea what's going on and if you've ordered from them, leave a comment below and let me know. But anyways, let's open this huge box. Okay guys, first up from my summer haul from ASOS would be this seamless skinny strap top, which is what I'm wearing right now. And I bought two of them because they're just so comfortable. You can mix and match it with anything. And I partnered it up with the Petite chino pants in shade Stone, which I love. I have been in love with the whole like baggier fit because all I owned used to be skinny, but it seems to work well with petite, and I got it in a petite size, which I love about ASOS because they have everything in different sizes: tall, petite, regular. And I partnered it up and accented it with a double circle waist and hip jeans belt with a silver buckle, and I just love how it just adds more because you can just wear something so plain, and if you add a belt, you're good to go. So second outfit would be this super cute petite denim wrap skirt with buttons in recycled wash black. That's the shade, I believe, and it's super cute. I haven't owned a skirt this cute ever. It just matches anything. You can wear it with a plain white top. Again, I partnered it up with a seamless skinny strap top. I partnered it up with that blazer. I think it's a crop blazer in there. I'm gonna put the link below for all the outfits anyways, and it's super cute. It's a cute summer outfit if you want more little casual but yet chic, and yeah, I definitely recommend that. Okay, up next, I can't explain how much I love this dress. This is a petite broderie off the shoulder cupped mini dress with tiered hem in white. I love anything that's white, and it's a dress, of course, that's a plus for me. I got in petite, so the length worked perfectly. I have a little bit more of a broad shoulder, so anything off shoulders is perfect. So there it is. This one is more of like casual, very casual, fun vibe to it. It's the River Island Petite Destroyed Mom Jeans in mid off blue. It's the very first mom jeans I actually own. I was so unsure about it because this is in the wider side. Again, most of the jeans I own are skinnier, but it tends to work. It's in petite, so the length is perfect. You can leave it down, you can roll it just to change the style a bit depending what you're wearing. I partnered it up with the Miss Selfridge short sleeve rib t-shirt in white and the circle buckle waist and hip jeans belt. It came as a 2-pack deal, which is super good. It came with a thinner belt and this thicker belt, as you can, oh no, this one's a thinner belt actually, so that's what it is. And this one here I love. It's a petite wrap front jumpsuit with peg leg and self belt. Guys, I have been debating about this jumpsuit. I haven't owned jumpsuit because I've always wondered, like, you know, I'm short and the length has always been too long for me, but this one they had in petite and I am in love. I feel like it worked with my body well because anything body fitted jumpsuit seemed to work well with my body type. And yes, there it is. So if you're petite, have been wanting to try jumpsuit, I recommend ASOS. They have petite sizes and it's perfect in length. The sixth little cute fun summer haul outfit that I want to share with you was this straight leg jean in mid blue. I am in love with these jeans because it's high-waisted. If you're petite, we all know anything high-waisted gives the illusion that you're taller, and it hugs your body, so it totally gives a shape, gives me a little butt. And so I accented with one of the belt buckle belts mentioned earlier. I am going to put the link below so it's easier for you to find them, and also paired it up with this sheared bandeau. At first when I saw, like in the picture, it looked whiter than it is. Now it's kind of like a creamish color in person, but it still worked out. I love it. It's a cute summer outfit, so definitely recommend it if you're looking for a casual, cute, easy to put together outfit. This one, I love anything rompers, and this romper is to die for. It is the Miss Selfridge Petite romper in polka dot. So I got in petite. Usually rompers work well for me even if it's regular size, but this one says petite is probably how it's supposed to fit. It's a little shorter probably than regular size, but it worked super well. I love the design. You could totally just go out, put it on. I am a sucker for rompers, so I definitely had to get a romper, and that's definitely recommended. Okay, the last but not the least would be the petite linen split front midi skirt. I have been debating about midi skirts because as a petite person, I don't know if it would work at all, because honestly they said anything below your knees, I think, or above your knees, it should make you look shorter, but surprisingly they had a petite version and I love it. It's just a cute casual summer. You can partner it up with anything, like a plain white top, tank top, bandeau, but this one I partnered up with a fuller bust organic cotton crop bandeau. It's like a super plain white bandeau and you're ready to go. Wear your sneakers, wear your little heels, you can partner with any jacket, blazer, and that's a super cute look for this summer. Okay guys, that's everything I wanted to share with you. Hopefully you enjoyed all the summer haul. By the end of this video, I'm going to just put everything together so you can view all the clothes again. I'm going to make sure to put the links below for each item so you can easily look at it if you're interested. If this helped, thank you so much. If you're olive skin and petite like me, I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in.